Hey guys, it's Miss Lawless. We are going to go on a nature walk today. I have Catherine with me. She is riding in the wagon with all her stuff, so she will tolerate the nature walk. Say hello.
Hello.
Wow, I found a purple flower. Catherine, look. A purple flower. Let's put it in our nature bag. I see some type of weed with some leaves. Let's put it in our nature bag. Good job. You ready?
Good.
Wow, 2 yellow flowers. Catherine? 2 yellow flowers. Put it in the nature bag. Thank you. Here, hold on to it. We found a white flower. White flower. Here, put it in the nature bag. Okay. We found a small stick. Can you put this in the bag? A stick.
Yeah.
Stick. A pine cone. A pine cone. Yeah, put it in the bag. Good job. A fuzzy white flower. White. White flower. All right, good job. We also found some helicopter leaves. We found a lot of these on our walk. Can you put these in the nature bag? They kind of crumble up a little bit. Good job. Okay, we're home. Are you ready to go through your nature bag? Catherine? You ready to go through your nature bag? We're home. All right, we're home. And we're looking at all of the stuff that we found on our nature walk. We found a lot of cool stuff. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Thanks for going on a nature walk with us. Mwah.